I recently had a friend ask me, when it comes to columns, why does it matter that we have a weak and a strong axis? And why does one of them govern the loading that's going to be on the beam, or on the column for that matter? And quite frankly, I confused it with a beam there because it's easier to think about this in terms of a loading axis from a beam perspective. If you have load that you're applying to the weak axis, as is shown in this, you're going to have much more bending than you would if it's applied to the strong axis, but this is different than axial loading, you'll say. Well, you're technically right, but the thing about this is any sort of eccentricity in the load or deformation in the load is going to cause a more significant factor in the weak axis, right? So if I have a load that's slightly placed off center here, now it's going to create a moment that makes it want to go this way, right? It's still taking the axial load, but eventually it's going to buckle and go out of plane. And when it buckles and starts to move out of plane, the weak axis is always going to govern that situation. So that's why you have to check the weak axis and the strong axis separately to get different values for different parts of your equation.